How to create a TikTok account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video, I will show you how you can sign up and create a TikTok account in 2023. So you simply want to make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to create a TikTok account, first of all, make sure that you have downloaded and installed the TikTok app from your respective app store. If you are using it on iPhone, make sure to open up your Apple App Store, and if you're on Android, make sure to open Google Play Store and download or install or even update the TikTok app to the latest version. Now once you've done all the steps, we're going to move on to how we can create an account. So I'm going to basically go ahead and then open the TikTok app. And if it asks you for permissions, make sure you allow all the permissions. Choose your interest over here. You can just select any of the 3 interests, but I'll just skip this process. Now it says swipe up to start watching basically. So far we have not yet created an account. So in order to create our account, what we need to do is from the bottom right, come to the profile page by typing on the profile icon, and then here you'll find the option called sign up. You just want to tap on sign up. Now it says you that if you have an account, by the way, you can tap on the login option from the bottom of the screen in order to log into your existing account. But if you do not have an account, you can either create an account with your Facebook account, your Google account, or even your Twitter account. And if you're on iPhone, it'll ask you can even create it with an Apple ID. But if you want to create an independent account with your email ID or your phone number, in that case, just choose the option called use phone or email. Now you can just choose a phone number that you have, or you can simply choose an email. And since email is comfortable for me, I'll just go ahead and then enter the email address on which I would like to create my TikTok account from. Then I'll just tap on the next button. After that, it might ask me to verify the code and the puzzles and so on. So I'll go ahead and then verify this puzzle as well. And once I verify the puzzle, it'll ask me to create a password. So go ahead and then make sure to create a very strong password. So once you've created a password that is 8 to 20 characters max, and at least contains 1 letter and 1 number as well as 1 special character, what you need to do is just tap on the option called next right over here. It will ask me to set up your birthday. Now keep in mind that this is a very important step. I want you to create a birthday that is at least over 18 years of age. Even if you're not over 16 or 13 years of age, just make sure to enter a date of birth that is over 18 or at least 19, because some of the features on TikTok are going to be limited, such as messaging and so on, if you do not set your birthday to a certain age. So for that, I'll also just go ahead and then choose my date of birth here, and then I'll also make sure to enter my birth month as well. Now once you do these steps, just tap on the next option, verify that all the information is correct, and as you do that, the final step is to verify it. And if you want, you'll also receive a verification via your email, and then you'll be able to successfully create your account on TikTok in that way. Now the next step is to also simply choose a username. So I'll go ahead and choose a username for myself as well. Then just tap on the confirm button. If you want, you can allow access to your contacts, and now you can see that we have successfully created our TikTok account. And this is how you can create a TikTok account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.